welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these wavy baby hairs right here. So I've gotten requested tons and tons and tons of times on how I did my baby hairs like this, because they're always like this in like any of my pictures on Instagram pretty much. So today's the day I'm going to show you guys how I get them like this. And it's really simple. So if you want to see, then keep on watching and I'll go ahead and show you guys right now. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my hair like this. This is just regular, which I don't mind regular. Regular still looks cute, I think. Okay, so today for this, I'm going to need my Eco Styler gel. You know, this is my go-to. And then I'm gonna need a baby hair brush. Normally you can use a toothbrush, but I found this brush online on Amazon and it's the balmiest, diggitiest thing ever in the world. I'll link it in the description box below where I got it. It's literally a brush at the top, like a toothbrush, and then a comb at the bottom. And then I'm actually gonna need some water too, so I have my little spray bottle here. And I'm gonna start off by spraying the front of my head. So we're just gonna do a little on the front. And the reason why I wet my hair is because I can't do my baby hairs unless my hair is dry, and then I just re-wet the front, because if not, it all just mixes in together. So after I got that done, I'm gonna go ahead and get to my gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the gel, put it on my fingers, and then I basically just plop it on the front of my hair like this, along with swooping it to the side that it normally goes, okay? And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Just like that, just like that, just like that. Now it's time to get the little brush or your toothbrush or your baby hair brush, whatever you use. And then we're just gonna go ahead and brush your hair down in the front, just like this. Just smooth it all the way down. You're gonna be like, what? But yeah, this is the easiest way to do it. Now I like to get the comb side. A little comb works so good. I don't know, it just is. It just does. If you haven't tried a comb, then you need to. So basically, I just like to start at the top, go down, hold it, and then go up, and then go, just like move your finger along with it, and then hold your finger up here, and then brush down, and then put your finger at the bottom of it, and then brush up. See, and then you do it again, and then you do it again. Alright, and it's gonna look like a big old wave. And then basically you just keep doing it until you get it exactly how you like it. And that looks about good. And you see how it's really thick? After that, I like to get the comb part and then just brush back parts of it. You see? Oh, it's like the best thing ever. And then brush back little parts of it, so that it's not like a big old, did y'all see that? How it went from and to dang. Yeah, and then you just I like to take the brush part and flatten it out a little bit more, just follow along it. And then once more, do a little comb trick. Pull some back. And voila. Wavy edges on one side. And do the exact same thing on the other side. And I actually like it better when the gel was sitting for a little bit, because it hardens up a little bit. Just a little. And then on this side, instead of going down like I go over here, this side I go up and then down. So I go ahead and get my hair, and then I go up a little bit, and then I swoop it down right here where I have this lower part of my hair, and then swoop it back up, and then swoop it down, and then swoop it up, just like that. And then go ahead and pull parts back. And voila. edges on fake. Look at this. It's so cute. This is like my favorite way to do my baby hairs. I just like the way it looks. Now I just want to pull up the front part of my hair so that y'all excuse me. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled up half of my hair so you can see these better. And yeah, so that's the simple way that I get my wavy baby hairs. I don't know why, that's just so fun to say. But it was super, super simple. I'm pretty sure all of y'all can do that. And if you don't have baby hairs, go ahead and check out my last video because I showed y'all how to get baby hairs if you didn't have any baby hairs. No baby hairs, no problem. I'll go ahead and link that in the description box below if needed, or you can just go to my channel and click the very last video to see it. But if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!